I'm gonna make zucchini cream cheese Filo Tart. It's very fast, it's elegant, for a delicious lunch that could possibly impress your grandma or maybe even your date. Let's get to it. Hi, I'm Wojtek and I'm back with another recipe. For ingredients, we have onion, zucchini, butter, grated parmesan, lemon zest, sesame seeds, cream cheese. Here's a bit of a balsamic glaze, 2 egg yolks, salt, cornstarch, and black pepper. And of course, Filo pastry, the star. So we start with the zucchini, good mandolin and zucchini. We need to slice it as thinly as possible, and we are aiming for like paper thinness. My fingertips are intact. Zucchini, sea salt, so the water can leak out. You can massage it a bit. And time for the onion. Right, time for the filling. 300 grams of cream cheese, egg yolks, cornstarch, grated parmesan, bit of black pepper, and the lemon zest. And a bit more salt, since it's savory tart. Now mix it really, really well. You want very smooth texture. Now when it's been 10 minutes and the filling is ready, we can get back to the zucchini. Take the kitchen towel, put it on a cutting board, and just empty it like this. And wrap it and roll it. Gently press, and it's gonna wait for the assembly. Our preparation is practically done. So time for pretty much the last step. This is the Filo part, and it's important to keep the Filo pastry covered in the fridge and take it out just before the preparation. On the board, we're gonna need some melted butter, and we're gonna brush each layer in between. Another layer. The point of using the butter is to make it more flaky and crispy. So, assembly time. You start with cream cheese base. Put it sort of in the center, leaving like 2 or 3 centimeters. Help yourself with the baking paper. Press it gently. Don't break it though. Filo pastry loves breaking. Maybe there is some leftover butter on your brush, so you can run it through these edges here as well. We are at the last step, zucchini time. Some people would call it to line it like really, really nicely, just slice by slice, have this like really symmetrical, beautiful effect. Like I prefer rather like a rustic style. And the last topping, which is this thinly sliced red onion. Okay, so I just spot we have this fresh thyme over here, so maybe I'm gonna just put it as well on top, roughly chop it, and just sprinkle over it a bit of olive oil on top, a bit of balsamic glaze. It's sweet and very acidic, and the sesame seeds, and the black pepper. So this is the ready tart. I got my oven on 200 degrees. I'm gonna put it for 20 minutes. Let's go. Okay, so it's been 20 minutes. The tart is ready. Little inspection. What has happened here? So we see all these nice layers of Filo pastry that has been like cooked through. They separated, and that's because of the butter. And I got some nice basil. All right, let's plate it. This looks really good, I'm not gonna lie, that's a good recipe, man. Did you enjoy this video? Like, share, subscribe for more.
Hello.